Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your account and playback is legal for personal use. Next, open your capture software and select a display or window target. Choose the browser or app playing Netflix. Make sure you route system audio through a virtual cable or internal loop so the recorder captures sound instead of muted DAC output. Once set, disable hardware overlays that trigger black frames, and keep the browser window visible and focused while you proceed to recording. Now adjust capture mode. Choose the graphics API to match the player, OpenGL for some browsers, DirectX for others, so frame grabs work correctly. Make sure to disable hardware acceleration in the browser or Netflix app. This prevents protected path handoffs that produce a black capture. Set your recorder to the source resolution and frame rate and use a high-priority process or elevated permissions so the capture software isn't preempted. If using a virtual audio driver, confirm you finish by running a short test recording and review it for black frames, stutters, and audio sync. If you see black areas, switch capture modes, try window versus display capture, or use an external HDMI capture device with an HDMI splitter to bypass software DRM paths. Make sure GPU and audio drivers are current and reboot if devices misbehave. If problems persist, lower resolution or frame rate temporarily. Then retest until you get a clean recording.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.